Let's open it. This is a Bluey Cash Checkout. Let me open it first, and then I will give it to Noor. Okay, so this is the machine. This is the on button, off, and the numbers. And there's a calculator here. Now let's open the coins. So this is all the money we need. This is all the money which comes with it. Okay, Noor. Noori, this is how we play. Okay, put this money in.
And close it. And close it. And here for money.
This is the bank card. Noori, this is how you close it. Noori, look. £5.
£5.
£5 again.
Thank you.
£20
Thank you.
and £10.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's see what these buttons do. They don't do anything. Where's that card? I wanna use my card. Okay. Let's close it. Let's scan the bank. In the box, scan Bluey's card and listen for the beep. There's the money. I'll put the money in first. The bank card's not scanning. In the box it says, hear the beep and scan the bank card.
What's inside? Oh, the money. My word. Even money.